Hey drifters, sometimes you meet a guy who's just special. I'm talking about my friend, Michael Sterling. He's a lifelong fan of Jaws. Not casual, not I'll watch it if it's on. I'm talking pause it, rewind it, study the Orca, measure the lettering, know every line without even trying kind of fan. Most of us watch Jaws and think, yeah, sharks are scary. Michael watched it and thought, yeah, I'm gonna build that boat. Not a boat, the Orca. A good friend of mine called it the Batmobile of boats. And honestly, he's not wrong. And the funny thing is, he knows that movie so well, he's not even quoting it anymore. You say something to him, anything, and the next thing you know, he answers as Quint. Doesn't even realize it. It's just who he is now. But this wasn't just about building something. His son Jack, right there the whole way, learning patience, learning pride, learning that when you start something, you finish it. His family, all in. The late nights, the sawdust, the this is gonna be worth it moments. Because somewhere along the way, this stopped being a project and it became a story. And here's the part that sticks with you. The real Orca? It didn't sail off into the sunset. It sat, weathered, forgotten, on a beach in Martha's Vineyard, slowly fading away. Jaws fans coming by, taking a piece, a board, a memory, until there was nothing left. For most, that's where the story ended. But Michael looked at that and thought something different. He thought, nah, you're gonna need a bigger boat. Not bigger in size, bigger in meaning. Because the Orca wasn't meant to disappear. It was meant to live, to breathe, to carry that story forward. And when that boat hits the water, it's not just a boat, it's a time machine. You step aboard and suddenly you're not at the dock anymore. You're back in that theater, hearing that music. And then without even thinking, you're banging on that table and singing, "Show me the way to go home." And just like that, you're not watching Jaws anymore, you're in it. And here's the thing, Michael didn't just build it for himself. He built it for every fan, every dreamer, every kid who ever sat there wide-eyed. He built it as a tribute to every scream in that theater, board by board, detail by detail. He brought that feeling back to life. Every Jaws fan out there hears that music, feels that moment, and knows this isn't just a boat, it's the Orca. Get the drift?